Okay, so let's pretend we're doing one that's more complicated than hydrogen. Okay, let's do Bohr. Okay, that's my favorite element. Totally exists. Okay, so the element name is Bohr. Okay, and Bo is going to be the symbol. Oh, that's not a good one. Okay, let's say there's 25. Okay, is the atomic number. That was a good year. How old I am? Just kidding. Okay, and let's pretend there's 30 is the atomic mass. Okay, so you help me figure out, please. How many protons do I have? 25, because it's the same as the atomic number. How many electrons do I have? 25, because that's my atomic number. How many neutrons do I have? I take the atomic mass minus the atomic number. So what was the atomic mass in this example? 30 minus 25. Okay, is how many? 5. So this is not a really realistic one. Usually there's more neutrons than protons. Okay, but in this example, that's how many you'd have. So let's pretend the only colors I have of Fruit Loops, okay, are yellow and orange, and my protons are orange, and neutrons are yellow. Okay, which item is going to be which here? So my protons are going to be what? Are they marshmallows or Fruit Loops? Marshmallows. Okay, and what color? Orange for this example. Okay, my electrons, are they marshmallows or Fruit Loops? Fruit Loops. Can we eat it?
No.
No. Okay, how about my neutrons? Are they marshmallows or Fruit Loops? Marshmallows. What color? Yellow. Marshmallows, yellow. Okay, now let's do a practice Bohr model with these numbers. Okay, so here's my nucleus. I've got 25 orange marshmallows. Okay, I've got 5 yellow marshmallows in my nucleus. Okay, and I put the glue on and they stayed on my plate. Hooray! Okay, next I'm going to fill up the orbitals with my electrons. My first orbital closest to the nucleus can only have how many? Maximum how many? 2 maximum. Okay, so I have more than 2. I've got lots. Okay, I have 25 electrons. So 25 minus 2. How many do I have left? 23. Okay, so I'm going to need another orbital. I've still got 23 left. How many can I fit maximum in my second orbital? 8. Okay, and I'm going to put them as far apart as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now I've got taken 8 off, and I'm full. That one's full. Okay, so 23 minus 8? 15. Okay, so I'm going to need a third orbital. Okay, what's the maximum I can have in orbital 3? 18. Is that going to work?
No.
So we got 15, and the maximum is 18, so we're good. We still have 3 spare. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so these are Fruit Loops. Those are marshmallows. The orbitals are the pipe cleaners. Okay, so before you grab your supplies,